A word that's used throughout geometry is vertex. If you have just one, it's vertex. If you have more than one, that is, if you want to make it plural, it's vertices. So one vertex, two vertices. And a vertex shows up in lots of different areas. If we're talking about angles, for example, the vertex is the endpoint of the two rays. So here, point B would be our vertex. It's where ray BA and ray BC, where they begin, forming the sides of this angle. What about triangles? If you have an isosceles triangle, you have two legs, which I guess I could label. So we have a leg here and a leg here. And this angle formed by the two legs is called your vertex angle. So I'm going to call this my vertex angle. So vertex could also apply to isosceles triangles. What about other types of polygons? Well, the point where two sides meet, which I've written in blue here, so this point right here is where two sides have intersected. So we have 5 vertices in this polygon. A diagonal is related to a vertex because a diagonal is a line segment that connects any two non-consecutive vertices. Well, consecutive vertices, if I look at this vertex, its consecutive vertices are the one to its right and the one to its left. So a diagonal from this vertex would connect these two vertices, which are not consecutive. I could also draw one in to one other non-consecutive vertex. So that's how a diagonal is related to a vertex. If we're talking about 3 dimensions, we can look at a cone or a pyramid. And this point right here in the cone and the point in the pyramid is also known as the vertex. So a vertex can apply to 3-dimensional solids. What about a cube? Well, in a cube, or any type of rectangular prism, is the point where 3 or more edges intersect. So the edges are these line segments where 2 planes intersect. So a vertex could be right here, right here. You're going to have, in this cube, if I drew in the rest of it, the hidden sides and hidden edges, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total vertices. Now again, if you had a hexagonal prism, then you'll have a different number of vertices. But a vertex, when you're talking about a prism, is the point where 3 or more edges intersect. So you can use vertex in lots of different ways. In prisms, pyramids, cones, polygons, isosceles triangles, and angles. So it's the same word, we're just applying it to different situations.